Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Etsy ads for improving search ranking and sales step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Etsy account.
From your dashboard, navigate to the Shop Manager.
In the left-hand menu, click on Marketing. Select Etsy Ads. On the Etsy Ads page, you will see a summary of your current ads. If you haven't set up ads yet, click on the Get Started button. First, you will need to set your daily budget. Consider how much you are willing to spend each day on ads.
Make sure your budget aligns with your overall marketing strategy.
Next, define your target audience.
Identify who is most likely to purchase your products. Tailor your ad settings to reach this specific demographic.
Once your budget and audience are set, choose the items you want to promote.
Select high-quality listings that you believe will attract the most attention. Keep in mind that items with good reviews and high-quality images perform better.
After choosing your listings, review your ad preview.
This will show you how your ads will appear in search results.
Now, it's time to turn on your ads.
Click the toggle switch to activate your Etsy ads campaign.
Monitor your ad performance regularly. Check your stats to see which ads are gaining traction.
Use this data to optimize your campaigns. Adjust your budget and listings as needed based on performance. Consider investing more in ads that generate the most sales.
Continuously refining your approach will improve your search ranking over time. Encourage customer engagement by offering promotions within your ads.
Look for opportunities to create seasonal ads around holidays or trends.
Engage with your audience by responding to their inquiries.
Building a relationship with potential buyers can lead to increased sales.
Finally, stay updated with Etsy's best practices for advertising.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.